In a previous video, I removed the vent hose from a front load washer, looked down the port, and saw dirt and grime on the outside of the metal drum. This surprised me because the washer had gone through several tub clean cycles. In this video, I'll run a tub clean cycle with Plink and see if there is a noticeable difference. The instructions call for 2 tablets for heavily fouled machines. Power on, turn on tub clean, press start, and let the tub clean cycle run. After the tub clean cycle was complete, large clumps of grime were found in the laundry tray. Unplug power, remove the cover, remove the vent hose and float, and then peer down the port. And we find still lots of dirt and grime. So we'll run the tub clean cycle one more time, but mark specific spots with orange duct tape, silver duct tape, and no tape. Now close things up, plug in the washer, and run another tub clean cycle. The second cycle is complete. This time almost no grime was found in the laundry tray, so let's take another look. And sadly, there was very little difference, if any difference at all. I'll purchase another washing machine cleaner, run a tub clean cycle, and post my results.